Today we're making Asian BBQ chicken wings, Singapore style. Now these savory, sticky sweet chicken wings are a hawker center classic and always served with a spicy vinegary chili dip, which I'm going to be showing you here as well. So easy and addictive. These are crowd pleasers. So let's go. This is so easy that the hardest part is in making the marinade, only because it does have a fair bit of ingredients. But I'm going to make it even easier for you by simply blending everything up. Now to a blender, add ginger, garlic, and shallots. Now if you don't want to pull out your blender, by the way, no problem, just finely mince or grate the ginger, garlic, and shallots. Next, Kicap manis or a dark sweet soy sauce. This is so essential for that gorgeous caramelized color. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and fish sauce. These two are going to add so much umami flavor to the chicken wings. Sesame oil, honey for the sweet stickiness, some salt, ground white pepper, and now this is optional, but I like a hint of spice, so I'm adding some cayenne pepper here, but it's totally optional, okay? And that's it. Go ahead and blend all of this up. Alright, now let's grab our chicken wings. Give your chicken wings a blot with some paper towels first to get rid of excess liquid, and then simply pour the blended marinade all over the chicken. Don't pour everything in. Keep about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the marinade to one side in a separate bowl. And then you really want to massage the marinade into the chicken. Don't be shy, just get in there and give everything some nice loving. Now it's best to leave these to marinate overnight, 3 hours at least, but really just leave it overnight. It will be worth it, I promise you. We are also going to be skewering the chicken, and I have this longish container here. Just pour some water into it and grab some of your bamboo sticks here. We are going to be soaking the bamboo sticks in water overnight as well. Soaking the bamboo sticks like this is going to help it to not burn when we roast the wings later on. 24 hours later, and this is what our chicken wings are looking like, looking good. Okay, let's get to skewering. You want to take a chicken wing and bend and snap the joints. So this part right here. This is to loosen the joints, and this is going to help straighten out the chicken wing. Basically, you're dislocating the chicken wings. You know, I get goosebumps whenever I do this, which is why I rarely do it. Usually, I would just chop the chicken up and separate the wings and the drummers. It's just easier to roast. But let's just do this hawker style for the YouTube, okay? Anyway, straighten out all of your chicken wings. It should be really easy to do this. Once you've dislocated all of your chicken wings, grab your soaked bamboo skewer and poke it from the base here all the way through. There's not much science to it really, we're just poking the meat and straightening the chicken wings out just like this. Now be careful because those skewers are sharp. Okay. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Using an oven rack, I'm just laying over my chicken wings. So of course, if you have a grill, then you can definitely grill this up, but I'm just going to be using my old reliable oven. With the remaining marinade, I'm just giving the chicken wings an extra glaze for good measure. And then pop this into the oven for 20 minutes. We are using quite a low temperature. This is going to ensure a fully cooked wing. There's nothing I hate more than biting into a wing and it's still bloody inside. Nope. At the 20-minute mark, take out your chicken and it should be cooked through, but it doesn't look too attractive, right? So remember the extra marinade that we saved earlier. Use that marinade to give the wings another fresh basting. And then increase the oven temperature to 220 degrees Celsius and set the oven to the grill or broiler mode. Then pop this back into the oven for another 5 minutes, and when you take it out, look at how charred and gorgeous this is already. Possibly carcinogenic, but we don't talk about that here. But wait, we're not done yet. Flip the chicken wings over to the other side, and what is this pale nonsense? We need to sort this out, okay? So give the other side a marinade basting as well and pop it back into the oven for another 5 minutes to even that tan out. Now the wings are done. Oh yeah. How long you grill it for? Now this depends on how charred you want your wings to be. Obviously I like mine with some burnt bits, so 5 minutes on each side is my perfect number. You can be done here. This is so good already, but we of course like to eat it with a spicy, tangy chili dip, and it's super easy as well. All you need are some red chilies, Thai bird's eye chilies. Now these are what really adds spiciness, so adjust according to your spice tolerance. Minced ginger, minced garlic, some vinegar, and lime juice. I'm using juice from calamansi limes, and I'm also adding half the rind of just one lime. This is going to help add zest to the chili sauce as well as a hint of bitterness just to round off all of those flavors. Some salt, sugar, and finally chicken stock. Simply blend all of these up and ta-da, your chili sauce is all done. And your Singapore hawker center style of barbecue chicken wings are done. This is absolutely perfect with a squeeze of lime juice, and of course when served with that spicy, tangy chili dip. So I really hope you give this a quick go, and bye! Want more oven roasted chicken recipes? Then click on any of these recipes now.